Want a stunning website fast? I'm going to show you how to build one in under 10 minutes using a Wix template from Wix Templates. No coding, no stress, just click, customize, and launch. All right, let's start the clock. First, we're heading to buywixtemplates.com, where you can find ready-made, high-converting Wix templates for any type of business. I'll click Choose the Template, and here we are, a full collection of turnkey websites built for speed and results. I'm going with the plumbing website template. This one's perfect if you're offering home services, but you can easily customize it for anything else. Let's check what's included. You get a full website with multiple sections, call to actions, mobile optimization, and 6 different homepage versions. Yep, 6. You can preview each one live and mix and match any elements you like. Once you've found your style, just hit Buy Template. After checkout, the site will be delivered straight to your email and added to your Wix account automatically. Awesome! So you've bought the template and accepted the website transfer from your email. Now let me show you exactly what you'll get and just how easy it is to customize everything inside Wix. This isn't just a static template. It's a fully built website, and you can change the text, swap images, and make it your own in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. All right, after accepting the template transfer, here's what you'll see when you open it up in the Wix Editor. First things first, on the left-hand side, I'll open this menu and show you something cool. You've got 6 complete homepage versions already built in, no need to start from scratch. I'm going to select version 1, but feel free to choose whichever layout works best for your business. Next, let's update the business name in the header. I'll just change it to plumbing, but of course you can put in your company name or upload your own logo right here. Now onto the hero section, I'll replace your city with Miami, so it reads reliable plumbing services you can trust in Miami. I'll also update the phone number in the top right corner, just click and type. And just to show how easy it is to make visual changes, I'm going to swap out the hero strip background. I'll click the section, choose a different image, and boom, it's updated instantly. That's the power of using a fully built template. You're not designing from scratch, you're just customizing. Now let's take a look at the services section. I'll change the city to Miami to show how easy it is to customize the text for your location. This kind of update helps with SEO, so customers in your area can find you more easily. I'm also going to swap out one of the services to show how flexible this section is. Let's replace washing machines with drain cleaning and update the icon as well. Each of these boxes can be edited in just a few clicks. You can change the title, the icon, and even link them to other pages. Everything is already laid out for you, so you just plug in your info and you're done. Next up is this section. I'll go ahead and change the text to say 10 years of experience instead of 50, just to make it more realistic for this example. I'm also updating the city to Miami, so everything stays consistent with the rest of the page. These edits are super quick to make and help keep the message relevant. I'll replace the image with one that fits the brand better and matches the tone of the rest of the site. And I'll update the phone number so it's ready for calls. You can adjust all of this in just a few clicks, and it really helps personalize the site for your business. Now let me show you just how simple it is to make changes across these sections. Starting with the special offer section, I can quickly swap out the leak detection offer for a different service or promotion. All it takes is editing the text directly in the editor, and you instantly have a new message for your visitors. Moving on to the form, it's already fully set up and connected to collect form submissions. That means when someone fills it out, the info is stored and sent where it needs to go. You can also customize the fields, labels, or connected email if you ever want to tweak how it works. Then in the footer section, I'll update the city to Miami, adjust the phone number, swap in a new email address, and change the working hours to match your business schedule. These edits are quick and require no coding. Everything is designed to be beginner-friendly, but still look professional. And that's it. After making all your edits, the only thing left is to follow the simple steps to choose a hosting plan from Wix and connect your domain, or buy one directly if you don't have one yet. From there, you're ready to publish and start getting clients. With these templates and how easy everything is to customize, anyone can build a pro-level website in just minutes.